children. Hello to the grown-ups. I'm glad to see you. Hello to the pets. Hello to the toys. Hello to the comfy blankets. I'm glad to see you. Hello to the birds and the frogs and the turtles and the chickens and the flowers and the trees and the rivers and the ocean and all the whole world. I'm glad to see you. Good morning, everybody. Let's make a pattern to sing the months of the year. I'm going to make this pattern today. Head, shoulders, clap. Head, shoulders, clap. Let's sing it together. Do you want to sing with me, Trev?
Head, shoulders, clap.
Excellent. Here we go. Now with the months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Faster. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Faster. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Now it's super speed. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Super fast. All right. Let's spell the word April today. April. That's the month we're in now. And you spell it A-P-R-I-L. April.
What is this?
That is a chopstick.
Stick?
Let's count how many letters are in the word April. 1,
Dad, what's
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters in April. How many letters are in your name? Do you have more letters in your name than April? Are there more than 5 letters in your name? Or are there fewer letters in your name? Do you have less than 5 or more than 5? Let's sing the days of the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Does anyone know what day today is? I'm going to give you a clue. It's the one that starts with the letter W.
I don't know.
Does anybody see the letter W up there?
With wine. Wine. It's wine. With wine is W wine.
This is W right here. W.
I don't say that.
Okay.
Where's W?
Right here.
No.
Oh.
You have to say where's W.
Where's W, Trevor?
At that day?
W. Can you point to all the letters as we spell? Go ahead. W. Right here. E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. Wednesday.
I'll just take this.
This Wednesday is a very special day. It's also Earth Day. I wore my Earth Day shirt, and we're going to celebrate the Earth, this beautiful planet we live on, and we're going to start learning a little bit about ways we can help take care of the Earth. I have a special story for us first, and then we'll open up our egg and see what's inside. My story today is called The Earth and I by Frank Ash. You can see here is a globe, which is a small representation of the earth, and outside is somebody playing in a tree. Here he's standing on a turtle. There's a little bit of symbolism for the turtles carrying the earth. The earth and I are friends. Sometimes we go for long walks together. I tell her what's on my mind. She listens to every word. Then I listen to her. It's a good friend. Wonder what the earth would tell you if it could talk. Oh, here's one way the earth tells us something. A storm, rain, lightning, thunder. We can hear the earth. We can feel it. And after the storm, a rainbow. The earth and I are friends. We play together in my backyard. That's a mud kitchen. Dirt is definitely part of the earth, part of nature. I help her to grow. She helps me to grow. You can get your good, healthy food from the earth, lots of fruits and vegetables. I sing for her. She sings for me.
Uh-oh, good drink the guy.
I dance for her.
And her dancer in?
Yeah, what do you think is going to be the dancing part of the earth? She dances for me. It's the leaves blowing in the wind. What a beautiful dance that is. When she is sad, I am sad. And can you see what's making her sad here? Oh my goodness, she's all covered with trash. What a disaster. Oh, look at that. He's cleaning up the trash, planting some beautiful flowers. Because when she is happy, I am happy, right? We have to take good care of the earth, keep her healthy so we can get our good food and breathe clean air, drink clean water. The earth and I are friends. What a beautiful story. Let's open up our egg. Check what's inside today. Oh, look at this. It's a turtle. Just like we saw in the beginning of the book. And also...
Was that my turtle or yours?
That one's mine. And also an animal that comes from an egg. Turtles lay eggs and hatch from eggs. And this turtle, talking about taking care of the earth and cleaning up garbage and recycling, we used a plastic bottle and turned it into art or a toy. We can play with these even. Let me show you how to make one for yourself. For this project, you'll need an empty and clean water bottle of some sort, or soda bottle, some sort of plastic bottle, and you're going to cut off the bottom with the help of a grown-up. So you have just this little piece here from the bottom. You'll need scissors. I have my grown-up scissors here. I use these to cut the water bottle, but you can also use kid scissors for cutting the paper later. Glue, some crayons. We chose green to make our turtles, and some regular paper. You could also do construction paper instead, but we're just using regular paper and coloring. Okay, so you're going to take your bottle, the bottom of your bottle and put it down on your paper and then trace around it. Go ahead, Trev. Can you show everybody how you trace around it? Hold it still. You can use your crayon. You could also use a pencil or a pen for this, or a marker, but we're just using our crayons for everything here. The bottle stays in place. You might need a helping hand to hold the bottle in place while you draw your circle around it. And did you go all the way around? I can show everybody. It's a very light color, but he made a circle. So I just went around Trevor's circle with a darker color so that we would be able to see. And now we're going to add the head and the arms and the legs and the tail. You can draw a circle type shape for the head. And then a turtle has 4 legs, so we're going to make 4 kind of oval shapes coming out from 2 on each side. 1, 2, and then 2 on the other side. And then his tail at the opposite end as his head. All right, are you going to color that in?
Can someone help me color that in?
Sure, I made one earlier. You could see I colored mine all in before I cut it out. So we're going to do that with Trevor's now. We're going to color it and then we're going to cut it. All right, so now we have 2 turtle bodies colored and cut out. Now, if you have Sharpies, you can try coloring on the plastic part as well. Usually your washable markers will not stick on here, but a permanent marker would, if that's okay with your grown-ups. Or if you have bottles that are green color, like some sodas come in green color bottles, you could use one of those. So now we're going to glue those onto our turtles just like this on top to make the shell. So I'm just going to follow the circle of my turtle like this all the way around, and since I traced my water bottle, that should match up, and then I just plop this right on here. It gets in most of the glue. It's not touching every spot, but most of it should be okay. And we learned from our sock puppets on Silly Sock Day last week that we need to make sure our glue dries. So for right now, I'm just going to leave my turtle right here and give that glue a chance to dry. And Trevor's going to do his as well.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Don't stick that well.
Yep, just line it up on the glue. Make sure it gets some glue on it, and we can always go back once the first glue dries and add a little extra. Even right now, see I can see where it missed the glue here, so I'm just going to squeeze a little bit right in there. And we leave it there until the glue is dry, and we'll come back and check on them later. All right, friends, that's everything for today. I hope you get a chance to go out and enjoy our beautiful earth, all the wonderful nature we have surrounding us, and I'll see you real soon. Let's sing some goodbyes. Goodbye to the families. Goodbye to the children. Goodbye to the grown-ups. We love you. Goodbye to the children. Goodbye to their pets. Goodbye to their toys. We love you. Goodbye to the birds and the butterflies and the turtles and the fish and the frogs and the flowers and the trees and the whole wide world. We love you. Goodbye, everybody.